everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to have high tea with family at Rangoli. So I thought to vlog it for you. So stay tuned to get the details. This is called Golgappe, and I'll show you how to eat these Golgappas.
To review the overall experience of high tea at Rangoli, first and foremost, a lot more needs to be done in terms of COVID SOP protocol compliance at the facility. For food, taste was okay, variety was pretty good, but adequate supply to the buffet setup was missing to cater to the needs of the number of guests present on that particular day. So I had to wait on a couple of occasions to get what I wanted. Overall, these lackings were compensated by the activity voucher, and it was pretty fascinating. So if you are looking for good food or high tea only, then I would like to rate it as 3 out of 5. But if you are looking for some fun with food and overall package, I might rate it as 4 out of 5.